Hello. In this 30-minute video, we will cover K-maps for 2, 3, and 4 variables. For each type, we will explore both simpler and more challenging examples. By the end of the video, you should have a solid understanding of how to solve K-maps effectively. So let's begin with the 2 variable K-map. Hi. In this video, I'll walk you through a couple of examples to solve 2 variable K-maps step by step. So let's dive into it. The given equation for our first example is FAB equals to minterm of 0 and 3. This term, by the way, means minterm. Minterm indicates whatever the number given in this should be indicated as 1 in the matrix of K-map. If it is a bit confusing to you right now, then don't worry, it will all make sense in a bit. Minterm indicates is that whatever number present in the bracket, they will be considered as 1, and they will be considered as 1 in the matrix of K-map. So let us draw K-map for the given minterm. Divide the cell into A and B. Call this 0, 1, 0, 1. Next, what will we do is give numbers to each cell of the K-map incrementally from 0, 0, 1, 2, and 3 equation. Here 0 and 3 is to be numbered as 1 in the cell. So 0 and 3. Now next step is to group the ones. Here we do not have any particular groupings of ones as such, and we cannot group ones in an horizontal way. That's not the right way. So what we will do is point out group 1 and point out group 2. Call this a group 1. In group 1, A and B both are zeros, so we will call them A bar, B bar. If any number in K map is 0, it is indicated by a bar on the alphabet. Again, A and B are 0 and called bar because in this one A and B both are zeros. Group 2, A, B both are without bar. Without bar means both of the terms, B again is 1, A is 1 here as well. And now we will eventually combine the two. A bar, B bar plus AB, and this will be the answer for function AB. Let's solve another example. Now FAB, function AB is equal to minterm 0, 1, and 3 this time around. Again, this is the minterm, and all these numbers will be considered as 1. Let's draw a K-map. Call this one A and call this one B. 0, 2, 0, 1, 2, and 3 will be the numbers given incrementally. It's B0, B1, B0, and B1. Again, what now we have to do is to find out where in the cell we need ones. In 0, 1, and 3 we need ones. 0, 1, and 3, that's where we need ones. Now next step is to group the numbers, and we can group these two numbers, and also we can group these two numbers as well. Here you can notice that this particular one is used in the grouping of this one and this one as well, and so it can be done. It is not a problem in K-map. Now next step is to calculate both the groups. In group 1 there are presence of two ABs, so AB plus AB, AB plus AB, And now we need to find out where are zeros in the AB. In first cell, both A and B are zeros. So we will call it A bar, B bar. And in the next AB, in the second AB, A is 0, B is 1. So we will call it A bar B. And now the second group, group 2. Again, two cells means A plus AB plus AB. There will be two ABs. Now what we need to find out is first AB, and first AB, B is 1, A is 0. So we will call it A bar B. A bar B. And in the second cell, A is 1, B is also 1, so AB. Now next step is we will cancel out uncommon terms, B bar and B. A bar is constant in both the terms, and here A bar is changing and B is constant. Finally, we will combine both to have a output. So A bar plus B is the output of the given two variable function of the minterm 0 and 3. Thank you so much for watching. If there is any problem or confusion regarding this video or any of our videos, please do write it in the comments. Thank you. In this section, we will solve a three variable K-map using an example that includes both simpler and slightly trickier aspects. So let's dive into it and get started. We have equation of ABC. ABC again indicates its three variable K-map for the minterm of 0, 1, 2, 3 and 7. Again, this is minterm. Again, minterms are the numbers that are to be indicated as 1 in the K-map. Let's create a box for solution of K-map. Let's call this A, and from left to right call it a B. It will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0 and 1 for A because it is only one variable. And we will have to number the boxes as well, and the way we will do it is an incremental way. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. By the way, if you're thinking I have made a mistake of not putting 2 before 3, then it is not a mistake, it is a rule of K map. You have to write these numbers in the similar way that I have written. Also, we need the help of a chart from decimal to binary. So we will create that as well. This chart is only made to verify that we have written the right numbers. As we can see, 3 zeros is equal to 0. Take another number, 001. 001 is equal to 1 and 001 is equal to 1. 011 is equal to 3. 011 equals to 3. Take any other random number, for example 7. 111 equals 7. 111 equals 7. So that is a surety of the fact that we have written numbers in the right way. Now, next is to put ones in the box, and the positioning of the one is decided by the minterm number 0, 1, 2, 3 and 7. After putting ones, next target is to create groups. Groups can be created of two. Groups can be created of two or four, not by three or five. First group that can we create is this one. Other one is from 3 and 7. So two groups have been created. Now it's time to solve two groups individually. Firstly, we will solve the upper group, group 1. Here you can see there are four boxes. Group has four boxes. So we will write A, B, C four times. After writing ABC four times, we will now have to find out where there is a 0 and 1 from A and B. First box. In first box, all A, B, C are zeros, so it will be written as bar on A, B, and C. In the second group, A again is 0, so A bar, B is 0, B bar, and C is 1. There will be no bar on C. Third group, third cell in the group, in fact. A again, 0 means A bar, and B and C is 1, so no bar on B and C this time. For the fourth cell in the group, A again is 0, so A bar, B 1 means B straight away, and C is 0, so C bar. Now next step in solving this group is to keep the constant value between the three, and the only constant value in here is A. A remains constant with bar. B and C keeps changing. B has a bar in two of the values, and C has the bar on two of the values as well. So we will cancel out B and C and write A only. Group 1 has A only for group 1. Now it's time for group 2. For group 2, we will write A, B, C twice because there are two cells in the group. Next step is to see where the zeros and ones are from the equation. From the first cell, we can see A has 0, B and C are 1. So we will write A bar, B, C without bar. The second cell in the second cell has A1, B and C1 as well. So we will write ABC. All the three alphabets are without bar this time around. And here we can cancel out A because A has changed from A bar to A, and B and C both have remained constant. They haven't changed. So BC will be the answer for group 2. And finally, we have to combine. We have to combine both the groups. Combine groups. This one and this one. Y is equal to group 1, group 2. Answer is A bar plus BC. So this is our answer for the three variable equation for the minterm of 0, 1, 2, 3, 7. Thank you so much for watching. In this section, we will explore how to solve four variable k-maps using two examples. One is straightforward one and other a slightly more trickier and challenging one. So stick with me and let's master this four variable k-map step by step. On the screen we have an equation that we will solve using a k-map. It involves functions of variables a, b, c and d along with specific minterm numbers. These minterm numbers determine where the values will be placed in the k-map. Let's start by assigning a, b, c and d to the k-map. Like this, a, b will go from up to down and c, d from left to right to right to. And we will have to numerically arrange them like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 for CD, 1, 0 for CD. Similarly, 0, 0 for AB, 0, 1 for AB, 1, 1 for AB, and 1, 0 for AB. In case if you are wondering that I made a mistake and from going from 0, 0, 0, 1 to 1, 0, I have directly went to double 1, then 1, 0, then it's a K map. I haven't made a mistake in that. And we will need a help of decimal to binary chart for the arrangement of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. From the chart we can reassure the fact if we are going right or wrong. Here 0, 0, 0, 0 is equal to 0, right? Take any other number, say we take 5. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 is equal to 5. So we are right. Again, take 13 for example. 13 equals to 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, 1 has to be 13, and indeed it is 13. So we have written the numbers right. Let's move forward now. Put ones in the box. Put ones in the boxes, and where we can put ones is decided from minterm. Let's write 1 in the boxes. Now it's time for grouping. Now in K-map you can either group in twos or in fours, not by threes or fives. They are not allowed in K-map. So we will find out possible groups. So we have 4 groups in our K-map now. Now next step is to individually solve each group. Let's solve this particular part. We have 2 cells in the group. We will have to write ABCD twice now. Now what we look for is the bar on these two equations. Firstly, we solve the first part of it, which is this cell. In this cell A, B, C and D, it says 0, 1, 0, 0. So there will be a bar on each alphabet apart from B. Now it's turn for the other cell A, B, C and D. Here 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So there will be a bar on A and C. Now we will have to eradicate the non-common part between the two. Here A is common in both, B again is common in both, C bar is common in both. D although is not common. In first part it is with the bar and the other part it is not with the bar. So we will cancel out D and our answer for group 1 will be A bar, B, C bar. That's one part of the way. Let's turn our attention to the second group, which is this one. Again, two cells, so we will have to write ABCD twice. Now, after writing ABCD twice, we will have to find out where bar should be placed and where bar should not be placed. From the first cell, we can see A, B, C, and D. A and B is 1, 1 and 0, 1. Means there should be a bar on C. And from the second cell, we can see A, B, C, and D. It says 1, 0 means bar on B and 0, 1 means bar on C. There will be a bar on B and C. And we will have to eradicate the discommon factor in this, which is A is again, A remains the same, B although changes, C remains the same, and D remains the same as well. So A, C bar, D. This is the answer for group 2. Now for group 3, this is our group 3. This is our group 3. So again, there are two cells, so we will write A, B, C, and D twice, and we will see where bar can be placed. Firstly, we will see this one, A, B, C, and D. It is 0, 0 means A and B will be with the bar, C will be without bar, 0, 0, 1, 1. So bar on A and B. For second cell, A, B, C, D, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. It means bar on A only. Again, the disk common factor will be eradicated, which is A has a bar on both the sides. B although changes from bar to non-bar one. C, D remains the same. So answer will be A, A bar, C, D. Alright. Moving forward to group 4. In this group, again, we will write ABC twice as there are two cells in the group. ABCD twice in fact. And what we do is to check out in this cell what is the situation of bar. It's 1, 1, 1, 1. So there will be no bar on any alphabet. Then check out the second cell, A, B, C, and D, which says 1, 1 and 1, 0, 1, 0 means bar on D. Again, D is the only alphabet which changes its part or which changes from bar to non-bar. So we will write the common attributes or common alphabets in both A, B, C. So we have come to the calculation part now. We have come to the solution part now. So calculate all the group solutions and we will get the answer, which will be this one is the fourth variable k map answer to the minterm of these numbers. Now let's solve another example. And this time around we will take numbers as we will take minterm numbers as these. So put ones in the box as per minterm. The second step is to group them, and groups can be done in twos or in fours as well. First group we can see is this one. The second group is this one. Now you can see these ones. Now these ones can be grouped as well. By K-map allow this type of grouping. So we will group them. We have three groups now. Firstly, we have to solve the green part, this one. As there are 4 cells in this group, we will have to write ABCD 4 times. Now after writing 4 times ABCD, we have to look for the bar. We have to look for zeros. This cell is A, B, C, D, 0, 1, 0, 1. Bar on A and C. And in this one, 0, 1, 1, 1. Bar on A only. From this one, A, B, C, D, 1, 1, 0, 1. Bar on C only. And the last bit, this one will have absolutely no bar as it is ABCD 1, 1, 1, 1. So there will be no bar on it. Now we have to eradicate these common factors. A again changes from A bar to A. C also changes from bar to non-bar, although B and D, they both remain constant. B and D remains constant, so we will write B and D. Now let's solve the red group. Call it group 2. And just by looking at it, we can write C dash D. C dash D, because we can see that A and B are constantly changing their values from 0, 1 to 0, 1 to 1, 0 to 1, 1. So there will be a change in A and B, but 0, 1 straight line, 0, 1 straight line, C, D, they are constant. So without even calculating, we can write down C dash and D. You can calculate for your satisfaction, but that's how it can be done as well. Now let's solve for the last group, which is this one, group 3. Group 3 again has 4 cells, so we will have to write down A, B, C, D 4 times. Look for the cells. Cell number 1 has 0, 0, 0, 0. So bar on each alphabet. This cell has on every alphabet apart from A. This alphabet has A, B, C, and D has 0, 0, 1, 0. Bar on everything apart from C. And the last one. 1, 0, 1, 0. Bar on B and D. So we will eradicate the non-common parts. A changes from bar to non-bar. C changes from bar to non-bar. B and D are the constant. So we will write B, B dash and D dash. Again, this is the answer for group 1, answer for group 2, and answer for group 3. We just have to calculate all these answers and we will have a combined answer for the minterm of the given number. So our answer will be BD plus C dash D plus B dash D dash. That is our answer to the minterm value of all these numbers for a 4 variable K map. Thank you so much for watching.